problem. Ceilings with downlights. I don't know how difficult it is. You're either cutting in with a brush, dropping them down. Solution. Paint guard. Paint guard comes in two sizes, 90mm and 100mm. You can buy them in boxes of 6 at www.paintguard.uk. To fit paint guard around the downlight is so easy, it's unbelievable. You simply open it, press it to the ceiling, close it around it, sits solidly against the downlight. These are ones that I done earlier. As you can see, I didn't use a brush to cut this in, I just rolled with a roller. So I've left them there so that it's set between the downlight, the ceiling and the paint guard. To remove it, just twist slightly clockwise, open it and drop it down. Job done. There's no need to touch the downlight at all. There's no chance of you damaging the ceiling, making them loose, springs catching on your fingers. Simple, easy solution, and they can be left in place for 3 or 4 coats. No problem, and the lights still work. So, nick along to www.paintguard.uk to make your life a lot easier.